11 minus 3 gives us 7, and 11 minus 3 again gives us 7, and 7 times 7 is equal to 49. But this answer is not correct, right? So this is not correct because we didn't follow the right order of operation when we are solving the mathematical equation. So I'm going to write here the rule PEMDAS. So here is the rule we need to follow when we are dealing with this kind of arithmetics, where we have multiplication, subtraction, we may have a division as well as parentheses or exponent, but this is the rule, the backbone of the basic mathematical expressions. So this rule states that in expression like this, the first thing to solve is parentheses. Parentheses are brackets you see in maths, or these fancy curvy group things, right? So that this all are called parentheses, and they all have one purpose, right? They group the equation. So we have to solve inside this before we move to the other thing, right? So the second thing to solve is exponent. Exponents are mathematical expressions where the top the base number, the numbers written on top of base number, right? So these are called exponents. And then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. If we solve multiplication after subtraction, it is wrong, right? So we have to solve multiplication before subtraction. So let's solve our problem and get the right answer. So here we have multiplication and we have subtraction. Of course, according to the rule, multiplication has a greater priority than subtraction. Therefore, we have to do the multiplication before the subtraction, right? So 3 times 11 gives us 33, and 11 minus 33 minus 3 is going to be the next equation, and 11 minus 33 gives us negative 22, and negative 22 minus 3 gives us negative 25. So the final answer to this question is negative 25.